In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can add Mr. Beast type of captions in your short form content like Instagram Reel, YouTube Shorts and TikTok videos in just one click without any editing skills. So the AI editing tool which we are gonna use for this is Submagic AI. I will give this tool link in the video description. By using the link given in the video description, you can get Submagic AI free account without giving your credit card detail so that you can test this platform without any risk. So when you will create your Submagic AI free account using the link given in the video description and log into your account, then you will see a dashboard like this. From here, as you can see, Submagic AI comes with lots of amazing features like generating captions, AI auto edits, magic clips. You can also generate thumbnail with it, and also there are lots of amazing features here as well. But in today's video, we are only going to focus on generating captions because we want to add Mr. Beast type of caption in our short form content. So for this, we are gonna click on this generate caption option which is showing here. Just click on generate caption option, and when you will click on it, then it will show you a pop-up box like this. From here, you can select the file from your computer in which you want to add captions like Mr. Beast. But I have already uploaded a sample video here, so let me click on edit button, and when you will click on edit button, then it will show you lots of options. So as you can see, Submagic AI comes with lots of options, like you can edit the scenes, you can remove the silence, you can use their AI auto zoom feature, there is AI auto b-roll feature, AI hook title, clean audio, remove bad take, correct eye contact, and there are lots of amazing features here as you can see. But in today's video, we are only gonna focus on this AI captions because we want to add Mr. Beast type of caption and we want to do nothing else. Okay, so we are gonna click on this style option from here, and as you can see, it will show you lots of caption styles here. So for example, you can add Ali Abdal type of caption if you want. You can add Alex Armoji type of caption in your video in just one click. As you can see, if I will click on Iman Ghazi, then it will automatically add Iman Ghazi type of caption in my video. Okay, but in today's video, we want to add Mr. Beast type of caption in our video, so we will select Beast option which is showing here. So let me click on Mr. Beast type of caption from here, and as you can see, it has added Mr. Beast type of caption in my video. And you know what is the best part? I can drag and drop this caption anywhere I want. So I want to place it here, and so if I want to increase or decrease the font size, then also I can do it from here. And suppose I want to change the font color, main color, secondary color, third color, then I can also change it from here. And also I can change the position of caption using this option, and also I can change the font size from here. You can also change the position and font size directly from here like this. So as you can see, I have added Mr. Beast type of caption here. So let me play this clip. Creating short form videos takes time, but good captions can make people stop scrolling. With Submagic AI, you can upload your video, you can add animated captions like this, you can highlight any important word if you want, and even you can add emojis in your video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use Submagic AI to add captions in your form video. So watch this video till the end. So as you can see, it has added Mr. Beast type of caption, and if you want that every font should be in white color, then you can select white color from here. Okay, as you can see, it has added some main color, second color and third color. But if you want white color only, then you can change it from here. And you know what is the best part about Submagic AI? That you can fully customize this caption. So if you want to customize it according to your brand, then you can customize it. So all you need to do is just click on this customize beast option which is showing here. When you will click on it, then you can customize everything from here. You can increase or decrease the font width from here. You can change the text case from here, and also you can change the font family from here. You can increase and decrease the font size from here. You can change the font color, stroke color, shadow color. You can change the stroke width, shadow width, and everything. Suppose if you want light shadow, then you can select small from here, medium from here, or large from here like this. I don't want any shadow, so I have selected no. And also you can decide how many words it should show at a particular time. As you can see, right now it is showing only 2 words. If I want that it will show maximum 3 words at a time, then I can change it from here. Okay, as you can see, I have added 3 words, so now it will add 3 words as you can see in every scene. And also you can disable or enable animation from here, and there are lots of options, so you can fully customize this Mr. Beast type of caption from here. And suppose if you want to customize it according to your brand color and everything, then also you can do it from here. It is fully customizable. I wanna remind you once again that if you want Submagic AI free account without giving your credit card detail, then special affiliate link is in the video description. Just go and check it out and test this platform fully before committing to any of its paid plan. There is only one problem in free plan, that there will be watermark in your video, so it is not a bad thing. You can use this free account just for testing purpose, so that you can decide whether Submagic AI is worth your money or not. And suppose if you want to purchase any of Submagic AI paid plan, then you can use my special coupon code Sumit10 to get 10% additional discount in any Submagic AI pricing plan. This coupon code is also in the video description. Just go and check it out. This is my way of saying thank you for using my affiliate link. I hope now you understood how to add Mr. Beast type of caption in your Instagram reel, TikTok videos and YouTube shorts. If you still have any confusion, then please let me know via comment below. I will reply as soon as possible. And if you found my how to add Mr. Beast type of caption in Instagram reel video helpful, then please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more helpful videos like this.